Hey everyone, welcome back to Zentorque, where we bring you the future of tech right now. Today we're diving into a game changer for productivity and personal computing, AI desktop assistants. Let's find out if this could be the digital co-worker you've always wanted. What is an AI desktop assistant? An AI desktop assistant is like a super smart digital helper that lives right on your screen. It can manage your files, schedule your tasks, write emails, summarize documents, and even attend meetings, all powered by artificial intelligence. Think ChatGPT meets Siri, but way more powerful and customizable. Top AI desktop assistants in 2025. Here are a few of the hottest AI assistants making waves in 2025. Jarvis, your customizable, voice-activated productivity buddy. Number 2, Rabbit's R1, compact AI device with desktop integration and memory. Number 3, Microsoft Copilot, seamlessly blends with Windows and Office tools. Number 4, Notion AI and Grammarly Go, smart writing, organizing and note-taking. Number 5, Otter AI, your go-to for transcribing and summarizing meetings in real time. What can they actually do? Here's a quick list of what AI desktop assistants can do for you. Manage calendars and to-do lists. Write and summarize reports. Draft and respond to emails. Transcribe and summarize meetings. Research topics or generate ideas. Convert voice commands into actions instantly. Why it matters. With AI desktop assistants, you're not just automating tasks, you're boosting your creativity, focus, and time. Imagine never having to dig through folders, write repetitive emails, or take notes during meetings again. This tech is redefining what it means to be productive. Should you get one? If you're a content creator, remote worker, student, or entrepreneur, yes, an AI desktop assistant could change the way you work forever. Start with something like Notion AI or Copilot to dip your toes in. Once you're comfortable, explore more powerful systems like Jarvis or Rabbit. So what do you think? Are AI desktop assistants the future of productivity, or just a cool trend? Let us know in the comments.